Hello everyone, welcome to the DIY Den. So today I'm going to share these 4 miniature ideas that you can easily make. So I have taken this M seal, I have rolled it, and in the shape of the wing I'm going to cut it. Then I've taken this Johnson baby bottle. I'm going to reuse it. So on the sides I'm going to stick its flaps. I want to make it like a penguin. So I'm going to stick it on the bottle. So it has the adhesive in this only, so no need to attach the Fevicol. So I made the features like its nose and shoes. Using gesso, I'm going to paint this. Let it dry. Now my gesso has completely dried. I'm going to paint it using black paint, giving some features with orange paint. And this is how it looks. Our next idea is tortoise. I have stick one bowl and I had these empty spoon like structures. I have attached it to make it in the form of the body of the tortoise. I'm going to paint it with different shades of green and using black. I'm going to make these hexagon like design which we commonly see on the tortoise shell, and this is how it looks. I have also made its eyes, smile, and it's looking pretty cool. Now for the next one, I already had this miniature minion sculpture. I'm going to apply a layer of gesso first, and then I'm going to now paint it with different shades to make it look like the original one. So nothing much, I'm going to just paint it with the yellow, blue, black, grey and copper shades. So this is the final look. Now comes the most interesting part. I have this Johnson baby bottle and this shape of the rabbit. I'm going to stick it inside it completely. Make sure it doesn't go away in different directions. So like this, I'm going to stick its arms also. I have filled it completely with the M seal, and I have also stick one pot like structure. I'm going to paint it. I have already applied a layer of gesso first. I'm now going to paint it with different shades of yellow, red, and for the face I have used skin. So this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.